Hi, welcome to Cute Little Pigs. My name's Amy.
And my name's Julia.
We do quite a few visits here, so we do 1 hour visits, which is mostly for pig lovers, so you can get them as gifts or you can just get them as like a day out kind of thing. We also do more luxurious visits, so you can go off to our spa, do mud wraps, visit the facilities that they have on site, so they have a jacuzzi, a swimming pool. You can also book packages as well through us.
It's absolutely amazing, the spa.
It is really lovely.
So we came down to Stampwell Farm. I wanted to take Becky at first because it was a little sort of like gift to her, because I know that she really wanted to see the micro pigs. So if you get hold of the pig and you stroke its belly, it literally just collapses on the floor and literally just stays there for about 10 minutes, completely comatose. Yeah, so you just scratch its belly once and you can just go around to all of them, scratch their bellies, and they all just sort of fall over on the sides. Really nice for us to come down and chill out, especially when we've been working really hard. And
yeah, it's been gorgeous, especially working in London. It's such a gorgeous change of scenery, and it's so nice. The thing I like the most is that it's so quiet. It's not busy.
Yeah.
You haven't got so many other people around like other farms.
Yeah.
You got the opportunity to really kind of get in there and have like a nice hands-on experience.
If you'd like to come and see us, please visit our website at cutelittlepigs.com for more information.